This is from Rough Enough. We'll give you an example of what this tool bag is about and what you get inside. This is a company, Rough Enough. They make a tool bag, tactical bag, electrical bag, and more. Check online for further details about the colors you are after. You could put screwdrivers in the front in the open, small items in the front pouch. They give you information about the bag, and it is weather resistant, protected. You get this nice clip hook so you could put a rope on, attach it to the side belt, car, whatnot. Two zippers that you simply zip down on each side. Release the clips on each side to open up nice and wide. We have mesh on each side with zippers and weather lined inside and a hard bottom. You need to do small jobs. Everything is here for you. You can write down information on the sticker, permanent. And it holds enough like a drill, a cutter, power bank, an emergency radio. And in the pouches on the side, it has little areas that you could put like bits and more. You could put in here your scissors, screwdriver, pliers, and more. And if you need to open up the side, to grab a flashlight, a cutters, and so on. This is a tool bag for all your needs. Rough Enough tool bag for any type of imaginable needs of tools, supplies, and more. You can open it up and leave it open and carry your tools like so with the handles, or the handle, or rope it up with the clip. Enjoy your tool bag from Rough Enough.